loves, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I'm sure you can hear the fan in the background. I know I feel like everyone's saying that right now, but my AC is not very strong and it is so hot in here, so please don't mind it. Hopefully I can turn it off at some point during the filming of this video, but if not, sorry about that. Today we're going to play with mostly new makeup, which is fun. I have a new foundation, a new concealer, a new palette, lashes, lots of fun stuff to play with. Not all new. It's going to be another one of those first impressions / shop my stash. Yeah. So let's go ahead and jump in. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Let's do this. Alright, I have already primed my face with the No Pore primer from ShopMissA. So we are going to try the I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation. I got this one a little darker than my normal, like my natural fair shade. I'm not sure if it's quite dark enough for my self-tan, so we might have to mix something in because I'm on like day 2 of self-tan, so super thick. Ooh, that freaking coverage though. Yeah, it's just like, it's super close. Maybe just like a shade. It's kind of the wrong undertone of this tan though. Well, let's go with it. Let's try and make that work. What shade did I get? Bali. I got Bali. We're just gonna keep going. When you first put it on, it looks lighter, but I feel like it oxidizes just the tiniest bit. I definitely thought this was gonna be like an in-between shade, but apparently it's like a self-tan shade. Crazy, okay. Sweet, now we get to actually see what just this foundation looks like. This is one of those nude ShopMissA sponges. It feels bigger than the pink one. I like that a lot. Actually looks really, really nice on the skin. That's what it looks like. Get this down a little bit. Sweet. So we're also going to try the concealer, which is the I Am Magic concealer. Let me know what new, like more affordable foundations and concealers you guys want to see, because I feel like I want to try more. I feel like this might be a little light, but we're going to try it anyway. I've been so excited to try this. I've heard really good things. Oh yeah, this is light. I will blend it out and then blend something on top of it if I need to. I could get away with it, but I've been enjoying having more of like an all over even look. I think I like the foundation more than I like that concealer. See it before I put something else on top of it. Obviously it's not blended out all the way, it's not set or anything, but at least that way you guys can kind of get a look at it before I taint it with something else. I'm gonna use a little bit of the Milani Conceal and Perfect in Nude Ivory. This is my normal. It's a little bit lighter than when I have a self-tan, but oh yeah, there we go. Just gonna mix that in there. Most of the year I'm not self-tanned, so I don't know, but I've been really enjoying being self-tanned. It's nice to not look so dead sometimes. Oh my gosh, I am so rambly today. Cut it out. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. I'm gonna use the Soap Styler and the XX Revolution Brow Pencil. So I'm gonna pop them on. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and use my very well-loved Revolution Makeup Bronzer in Cool. Probably very obvious that I love this. I need to buy a new bronzer to try with you guys. If you guys have a favorite one that's affordable and cruelty-free, let a girl know. This brush is the ColourPop F13. I lost my blush brush. I'm very sad. This has truly been my favorite combination. I'm sure you guys are sick of seeing it, but I'm going to use a little bit of the ShopMissA Perfect Finishing Pressed Powder in Chestnut. It's super dark. It's much darker than a bronzer that I really need, but I just use a really light hand like that and kind of focus it back here. Just kind of gives it a little more dimension. And I like a bold contour, so it's fine. We know this. I'm going to clean that up just a little bit. I'm going to try and use the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder in Light to do that. Okay, so this is the new Artemis palette from Alter Ego. I know it's duping a Natasha Denona palette. This guy is duping the Natasha Denona Metropolis palette. I do not own that. I only own one Natasha Denona palette. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to start with Hunch. You just know I'm going to have to because it's gorgeous. This nice mustardy yellow. Alter Ego also has some new brushes and a new eyeshadow base, so even though I just started to put that on, let's go ahead and pop this on. I'm gonna tap it in with my finger, with my fingertip. This is turning, it's not quite as yellow on the eye. Okay, I'm gonna try out the Alter Ego 2 little fluffy brush, and I think I'm just gonna go with what I'm feeling, which is this green. Oh, this green right here. It's kind of like an olivey green. The shade is called Silent. I'm just gonna focus this a little lower on the lid. I really, really like this shade. I don't know if it's like, this gives me kind of witchy vibes, like a witchy green. I am so beyond ready for witchy season. I'm just going back in with that first yellow and kind of blending those edges. Just kind of smudging it all together, I don't know. Okay, there is not a light cream shade in the palette, so I'm gonna go ahead and put just my face powder on my brow bone because I feel like it just helps with blending to have that all set up there. I'm gonna go ahead and take those same 2 shades on the lower lash line. Just gonna pop those down here, blending it up. I think I'm just gonna take the littlest bit of scent. Is it scent? Scent. This guy right here. It's like a golden. I'm just gonna kind of tap that over the lid. Oh, that's so pretty. Just the tiniest bit. Wow, I really like those 2 together. It looks like there's kind of a green sparkle in this gold. I love that I said a little bit and now I'm just like packing it on. But I really like that. I'm gonna go ahead and put on a wing. My wing, it's really hard to film, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and pop it on and come back because that'll just be easier for both of us. Okay, be right back. All right, I already popped on some mascara, but I think that I'm gonna add some glitter liner. I love that I'm already holding the lashes. These lashes, will you focus? These are the Amour lashes from Alter Ego, and I'm pretty sure I've had these ones before and I absolutely loved them. They look so pretty, so pretty. So we will definitely pop these on. And the mascara I use is the What the Fake mascara from Essence. I thought I grabbed the Panda one. Whoops. I think I like the Panda one a little more, but that one's not bad either. Okay, I think I'm gonna take this Urban Decay glitter liner in Midnight Cowboy. Let me not regret this. Let's see how it goes. Right along the top of my wing. Good enough for now. I also went ahead and put the ShopMissA Studio pigment in Orb on my inner corner if I can form a thought, which I don't seem to be able to right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop on these Amour lashes and be right back. And we'll finish up the cheeks and do the lips and we'll be done. All right, my lashes are on. I love these. I'm gonna go ahead and do some blush. I think I'm gonna use Charming. I don't know if I've used this exact one before. It's pretty bright. I'm gonna try and just use the peachy side. I guess we'll see. Oh, she pigmented. Go in really lightly. Okay. Smells good. Ooh, may have gone overboard. May have gone overboard, but we're gonna cover it in highlighter, so it'll be just fine. All right, my favorite highlight to use when I have a little bit of a self-tan, it looks rough. Okay, it looks rough, like a lot of my favorite items do. This is the highlighter Reloaded and Dare to Divulge. Part of it broke off, but that's okay. She is gorgeous. It's perfect if you have like a little bit of tan, a little bit of warmth. I just love this one so much. Oh, I mean, you can use it when you're more fair. I can use it when I'm at my fairest, but I seemed to enjoy it even more when I've got a little bit of color going. I'm gonna kind of pop it on my cheeks too, over that blush, on the nose, on the chin. Ooh, it's just so glowy. Go back in with my blush brush and blend. Tap it in. Glow, glow, glow. Ccolor Cosmetics sent over this and a couple palettes. I think we're gonna try one of these lippies today. Pretty excited. This is cute. It's a little pink set. I've tried their liquid lips before and I actually really, really like them. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on Lay Down the Mauves from Wet n Wild. I'm gonna put a little bit of concealer. This is just the ShopMissA concealer in Porcelain to both block out my lip color and lighten the lip shade a little bit. Okay, we are going to try Wild Rose. It doesn't really smell like anything. Ooh. Wow. Oh my goodness. It's very purple on me. It's way more purple than it looks in the tube. I'm gonna put, yes, I have concealer all up in the middle there. I'm gonna put a gloss over it in just a second. I think that's gonna kind of balance it out. Make it a little, I want like a little more pink personally. I think fall is just trying to happen on my face today. This is a very fall look. I guess we're just, okay, I'm gonna try a little bit of chocolate chip cookie dough on top of this. I don't know, we're just gonna go with it. Alright loves, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was so much fun to play with a new palette, a new lip, new lashes, a new foundation. I feel like it's been too long since I've tried a new foundation and I'm absolutely in love with it. I really love the foundation. I'm not sure on the concealer yet. I really, really like this new palette from Alter Ego, the Artemis palette. It really is beautiful. I know I only used like 3 shades out of there, but I really did enjoy them. I'm obsessed with this green. That shade of green is so pretty. You do have to kind of build it up, but it is gorgeous and totally worth it. What else did I try? It's new. I haven't used that blush before, that shade. I don't think so on my face because I've always been scared it's going to be too bright, but I really did enjoy it as well. I really like any of the heart-shaped blushes from I Heart Revolution. Honestly, I really love any like powder face products from Revolution. I don't think I've ever met one that I didn't like from Revolution and the family of Revolution. This lip color, I love it. I know I really, really lightened it, but I would like to do another look with this being a little bit darker. But I love this shade as well. Oh my gosh, I don't know. This one, this little kit, so cute. I'm sure it is super affordable. I liked these brushes. I need to finish trying the rest of them. I mean, in that, the eyeshadow primer, I will continue, it's got foundation all over it. I'll continue to try this guy as well and let you guys know, but so far I like it. I think that's everything that I tried out. Let me know what new products you would like to see me try out soon. I'm hoping to do like an Ulta haul or something like that soon. Let me know what you're thinking, what you're interested in. Hopefully more affordable products. I did just order some stuff from BH Cosmetics, from ShopMissA, and e.l.f. So I have some new stuff coming from all of those. But what else, ever else you're thinking, let me know. Okay, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. We do beauty, plus size fashion, wellness, food videos, vlogs, stuff like that. So if that's what you're into, you're in the right place. Subscribe. Let's be friends. All right, I love you guys much. I will talk to you soon. Bye. Look, such a cute baby. You say hello? Hi. You say hi. You say hi. Yeah, bye, Nor baby. Natasha Denona Metropolit. Why do I do that? Sometimes my brain's just, what? Sometimes I just can't say words. Metropolis. Metropolis?
Metropolis.
Metropolis. Metropolis. Metropolis. Metropolis. Metropolis. Metropolis. God, why can't I say that word?